morning once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, children. So we were doing the islands. Have you all written about the islands?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is going to read out?
Ma'am, what we are doing?
I am marking your attendance. I am writing the
Ma'am,
names
what
of the
we are
ones who
doing?
are present. Beta, I am marking your attendance. See, I am writing your names. I am looking at the screen and writing your names.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, who is going to read it out? Abhimanyu Srivastav. Abhimanyu Srivastav will read out the answer for all of us. Abhimanyu, put your video on. I can't hear from Abhimanyu. Are you there in the class, beta?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait.
Yes, in the
Abhimanyu is not responding.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. No, he's not responding. Abhimanyu Srivastav, last call for your name. Everybody, please put your videos on. I want to see everyone's face. Anshuman Gangwar, Saif Ali, Utsav Gangwar, and Ashvik Agarwal. I will only consider these four students present in the class. If you do not put your videos on, children, I am not going to count you present. Still, Kushagra, Abhimanyu, and Jayesh and Iram Naz are not putting their videos on. Children, yes, very good Kushag, very good Iram, very good Jayesh. What about Abhimanyu? Abhimanyu is not there in the class. Yes, he has left the
Ma'am,
class.
what we have to read?
I'll tell you what you have to read. First, let me see everybody's face.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have to take my new pencil. My pencil is become small. Ma'am, I can take.
Yes, go and take.
Can I take?
Yes,
Can
beta,
I-
take. Take 2, take 3. All right. So, the last answer of the chapter was about the islands. All of you have written the answer? All of you have written
Yes,
a note? Anshuman Gangwar, have you written? Have you written a short note on islands? Why?
Ma'am,
Why
I
no? Did you attend the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those who have not written, please write it right now. I'm giving you 2 minutes and then we are going to discuss the answer. Okay, till then, those who have written, please go and get your GK books. Go and get your GK books, those who have written.
Ma'am, we have taken.
Very nice. Anshuman Gangwar, are you able to write the answer? And Prasoon Gangwar. Anshuman beta, if you're not being able to write, then you can simply ask me. If you're facing any trouble, please ask. Okay, you cannot. See, the question is, write a short note on the islands of India. Now, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to write a short note on the islands. Open up 79 page of your book. Open up page number 79 of your book. The last paragraph is about the islands. From there, you can simply write 4 lines, 4 different points about the islands of India. Now,
Ma'am, I have written all these lines.
Beta, all
Ma'am,
these
can I tell?
we must only include the important lines, like there are 2 groups of islands, like the climate of these islands, then the main crop that is grown here, and the trees grown here. That's all.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, Seth, wait. Let everybody write.
Then I have written weather
Yeah.
also.
Very nice. Weather and climate is the same. Okay,
Yes, ma'am, I
Anshuman.
have written weather.
Okay. Anshuman, your answer starts from here. There are 2 groups of islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. This is point number 1.
Ma'am, I have written there are 2 groups of islands in India, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Deep Island in the Arabian Sea.
Yes, very good. See, this is the first point I have sent in the chat box. There are 2 groups of islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea.
Ma'am, I have written this point.
Very good. The main crop grown here is rice. The second point. Okay, the main crop grown here is rice. Then summers are hot and humid while winters are mild.
Right.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Coconut trees and many woody climbers are found here.
This is answer of which question?
This is the answer of the fourth question. Write a short note on the islands of India.
Okay. Sure. Ma'am, I have also written this.
Everyone has written? Kushag, you are mute. Kushag, you are mute. If you want to speak something, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, the question is the write a short note on the islands of India.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have written this. Can I take my GK book? Ma'am, your mic is muted.
Yes, those who have finished doing this answer, go and get your GK book.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, due to some network issue, I can't hear you. So, can you tell that the question is write a short note on the islands of India?
Yes, this is the question. Iram, your microphone is not working fine. You can please type in the chat box. Yes, it is correct. Iram, very nice. It is absolutely correct. Now, children, everyone has written this answer? Or you are still
Yes.
doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So with this, we come to the end of this chapter. Is there any doubt, any question related to this chapter?
No, ma'am.
No, we have done everything in this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, when these Zoom classes were started, the timetable was changed. There were different things included. Each day was supposed to be of 6 classes. So in your class, GK period was given to me. I will be taking your GK from now on. And your GK period is supposed to be on Tuesday. Right?
Okay.
And the
Tuesday?
SST period will be taken by
SST also I'll take and GK also I'll take. So Tuesday, since I was absent, you did not have your GK class. Did you have your GK class in this week?
Oh.
No? Did you have your GK class in this week? No, you did not have. So now the leftover time we'll be studying GK. Everybody go and get your GK books. Hurry up. We'll start in a minute. Yes,
And
very
then
good.
and then Shalini ma'am also take the GK period.
No, Shalini ma'am will take GK of only 4th A and 4th B. 4th C GK will be taken by me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Kushak, are you still doing your SST work?
Ma'am, done.
Done? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Go and get your GK book.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, brought.
Anshi, please. Madam, mic.
Now, children, may I know till where have you done it?
And the world around us, chapter number 3rd.
Tell me the page number.
Ma'am, 55. Ma'am, we have to do page number 55.
You have to do page number 55. Okay. So this is calculate the expiry date of each item. A bright buyer. The chapter name is A Bright Buyer. What do you mean by a bright buyer?
Ma'am, means which is a very ma'am, means which is a very experienced and which is very good buyer which knows everything about buying things.
Yes. A bright buyer means a smart buyer. Somebody who is very intelligent. Now, sometimes what happens, we go to the market, we purchase a thing, and we forget to look at the date of expiry or the date
Please
of...
tell me the page number.
Okay, everybody open up your
55.
books to page number 55.
Okay, ma'am.
Jayesh, Prasun, Anshuman, Gangwar, are you all there? Put your videos on, beta, to let me know that you are sitting in front of the camera. Good.
Ma'am, I could not open my video because there is signal problem.
But you are there, Prasun? You have to be there. Yes, very nice. Very good. So, when we go to the market, we sometimes just pick up things without looking at the product, when it is manufactured, when it is going to get expired. Sometimes, so many times, it happens with everybody. Even I have purchased things which have been expired long back, but still I have got them home because I wasn't a bright buyer. I wasn't a smart buyer. I did this stupidity. So this is about that you should be smart enough when you are paying for something, when you are buying something. You must act very smartly. You must check the date of manufacture. You must check the date of expiry. Now, suppose today I go to the market. What is the date today? 17th October. Right?
And
17th.
if a product expires, then what we have to do?
You don't have to buy that product. When a product is
Then why?
expired, because beta, it is no longer of good use. It is no longer good. It is no longer healthy. Like suppose if you talk about edible items. What are edible items? The items that we can eat. If we buy expired items, don't you think our stomach is going to get upset? Don't you think we'll fall ill? We are going to fall ill. Anything can happen to us, right? So that is why even when in your houses something there is in the refrigerator, your mother says, no, it's stale, don't eat that. Stale food, the food becomes stale, and we must eat fresh only. Similarly, those things, those edible items which have a long life, they have a long life, does not mean that they will go up till whenever we want we can consume them. Everything has got a life. Are you getting me? Everything has got a different lifespan. Something can stay long for only 2 days, while there are things that can stay long for as long as 6 months, as long as 3 months, as long as 12 months. So whenever we buy things, we must take care of these things to look at the date of manufacture. And there is also written on each product best before. Like if a product has a lifespan of 3 months, it is written best before 3 months. If it has a long lifespan, it is written best before 12 months, best before 6 months. Now suppose today I go to buy something which has a lifespan of 6 months. Today is 17th October and the product has been manufactured. Now we go 6 months back. Suppose the product has been manufactured in the month of March. Do you think it will be till today it has got a life? Is it usable? Just calculate and tell me. A product manufactured on 1st of March and today is 17th October.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, it will expire.
It will expire.
Ma'am, it will expire.
What lifespan does it have? Till when it will be good?
6 months.
6 months.
What is the date of those 6 months? Month of March.
Month of March.
No, beta, month of March it has been manufactured. Now, when will it expire if it has a lifespan of 6 months?
In August.
March,
In August.
April, May, June, July,
May,
and
June,
August.
July,
August, right? So it is going to
ma'am.
expire on 30th of August. Is that
yes,
correct?
I have said.
It will
Yes, ma'am.
expire on 30th of August. Suppose a thing is going to get expired on 31st of October. Suppose I go to buy something and it has to expire on 31st of October. So will it be a smart buying if I buy it on 17th of October?
No, ma'am.
Tell me, Varun, will it be a smart buying? If the product has to expire on 31st of October and I buy it today, a product with a lifespan of 6 months, will it be a smart buy if I buy it today? No, definitely not.
No.
When I'm buying something and it has a lifespan of 6 months or 3 months, there should be a long time so that it can survive for a long time. So this chapter is all about buying things smartly. So what all will you do when you'll go to market and buy something? First of all, we are going to check the date of manufacture. Second, we are going to check the lifespan of the product. Third, we are going to calculate the date of expiry. Fourth, then we'll decide whether to buy it or to discard it. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And sometimes it is very clearly mentioned the date of expiry. Suppose the date of expiry of any product is 20th October 2020 and I go to buy it today. Suppose a bottle of Rooh Afza. So I will not buy it because in 3 days it is going to get expired. I'll buy a fresh piece which can at least last up to 3 months or 6 months so that my money does not get wasted. Clear? So let's read this chapter.
Ma'am.
Calculate the expiry date of each item. Look into your books. Everybody look into your books. Date of manufacture is 1st January 2013 and it is best before 6 months.
Ma'am, no.
I'm a stump of wood.
Can you calculate the date of expiry of this product which has been manufactured on 1st of January 2013?
Ma'am, 1 July 2013.
Very
Ma'am, it is
nice.
expired.
No, beta, see. Whole month of January, February, March, April, May, June. The expiry date comes out to 30th June. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I don't know what answer is given at the back. What is the answer? Let me check the answer given at the back.
Ma'am, it is expiry.
Expiry date is given 1st of July 2013. 1st of July 2013. Okay, next. Date of manufacture is 25th of February. Best before 1 week. So we just have to count what? 7 days. 2013 is not a leap year. That is very clear. It is not a leap year. Now calculate and tell.
Ma'am, July. Ma'am, July.
1 week.
बायजूस हटा दो बाबा
1 week is 7 days.
अम्मा बायजूस हटा दो
4
ना
March 2013.
हटा रहा हूँ
Very nice. It's 4th March 2013. We are going to start from the next day. We are going to start from 26th of February. 26, 27, 28, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That comes 7th day falls on the 4th of March. That means the product has a life only till 4th of March. Everybody
मैम we have
understood?
to write the date or month
No, beta, you have to write the date.
okay ma'am
Then, what is the date of manufacture? 1st of July and best before 30 days.
Ma'am, 31st July 2013.
It is 31st July.
Ma'am, 31st July.
31st July.
2013.
अरे यार ये सब
Okay. We are going to start. We are going to count from the next
अरे
day.
यार क्या हो गया
2nd July will be the first day. And then we'll go up till 30 days. So that comes to 31st of July. Then the date of manufacture 1st December, best before 2 months.
And 1 February
Ma'am, February 2000. Ma'am,
first
February.
February
Ma'am, 1st February.
1st
And first
February
February
2013.
2013.
Then the date of manufacture is 1st September. Best before 60 days.
2013.
31 October.
How come? Tell me.
Then plus 6 days.
Ma'am, 1 September plus 60 days.
Then plus 60 days.
Very nice. So September whole month and October whole month.
Whole month.
Yes, very good. Then the date of October, date of manufacture is 10th July.
And 9 August 2013.
Best
And 9
before
August.
30 days. Yes. It's 9th August. Very good.
9th August. Ma'am, what is the one? 9th August.
Date of manufacture 1st of September, and they are saying it has a life of 60 days. So start counting from the next day, 2nd of September till 2nd of October, and then more 30 days, so it comes to 31st of October.
Okay, ma'am.
Then date of manufacture 10th July, best before 30 days. It's 9th of August.
9th of August.
Then the 7th one, 30th March is the date of manufacture.
28. 28 June. 28 June.
And it is best before 90 days. So March, after March comes April, May and June.
May, June. Yes, ma'am. 28
March,
June.
March has got 31 days, so we will start counting from, we'll start the counting from 31st of March. Then again, May has got 31 days. So that is why the answer comes to 28th of June.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the date of manufacture is 25th of August.
Ma'am, 5 September.
Before 10 days. Why 5 September?
Ma'am, because August had 30 days.
31, 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, because the August have 30 days.
So that, where have you started counting from? 26,
Ma'am, from 26.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
Ma'am,
1,
yes,
2,
ma'am.
3, 4. It should be 4th of,
August.
Ma'am, but at the back it is written 5.
but it should, according to me, it should be 4th of September. What do you say? What does your mind say? What it should be?
Ma'am, 4 September.
Ma'am,
4.
4th of
Ma'am,
Anna?
4 September because
4th September.
because
It should be
ma'am, because we always start from 26.
we always start from the next day. Now, like in second one, the date of
Yes, ma'am.
manufacture is 25th of February. So we have started counting from the next day.
Yes, ma'am.
26, 27, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th of March is the answer. Right, 4th March was the answer over there. Okay, then clear with the concept. Now from today, are you a bright buyer? Will you be a bright buyer?
Yes, ma'am.
I will also try to be a bright buyer. Sometimes what we do, we rush to the market, we are in a hurry. We give money, pick up our thing and come back. We don't bother, we don't care to look at the manufacture date and all. And then
Ma'am, toys also have expiry date.
which thing?
Ma'am, toys also have expiry date.
But I have never checked. I am not a smart
Ma'am,
toy buyer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it has a
there is only written the manufacture date.
Manufacture date must be written. I don't know, Utsav, have you ever checked expiry date on any toys?
ma'am,
Ma'am, I checked that there is no expiry
ma'am,
date.
it has a thing, but I don't.
It has a thing. So maybe on it only the date of manufacture is given. I have never checked on toys. We must check. And what all things do you think can have expiry date? Come on, let's discuss. What all
Ma'am,
things
bread.
according to you? Yes?
Ma'am, bread.
Yes, bread. Bread is of course an edible item. Then
Ma'am, toast. Ma'am,
all edible items, all the items that are meant to be eaten have expiry date. So apart from edible items, what all do you think can have expiry date? Do you think the cosmetic products have an expiry date?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I remember toys have a
No, ma'am.
ma'am, toys have a guarantee.
Yes, they have a warranty card. They come with all the gadgets come with a warranty period. Okay,
Warranty.
warranty. It's called warranty. Now, do you think the cosmetic products have got an expiry date? Yes or no? How many say yes?
No, ma'am.
Those who say yes, raise your hands. So Ashvik and Utsav. Rest I cannot see because their
No,
videos.
ma'am, I am not saying. No, ma'am, I am not saying.
No, but I am talking to Utsav and Ashvik. Now, Iram, you can keep your hand down, and Varin, you can keep your hand down because Iram and Varin are correct. Cosmetic products do have an expiry date. Now, have you ever smelled a cream? Have you ever smelled a lotion that has expired? Have you
No,
ever?
ma'am.
It smells very bad. It starts smelling bad. Yes, all the
Ma'am.
cosmetic products have an expiry date.
Ma'am, that's why the perfume has, ma'am, my perfume has bad smell.
Oh, maybe because it is expired. The creams, the lotions that we use, or the lipsticks, kajal, and whatever cosmetic products are there, all have an expiry date. Any other product that you think can have expiry date?
And medicines.
Yes,
Yes,
very nice, very nice. All medicines have got expiry date. Yes? Iram, you please type in the chat box. Iram's microphone is not working well.
And now nothing has an expiry date.
Where?
Ma'am, now nothing has an expiry date.
Nothing has expiry date. Okay, ma'am. Injection are also having. Yes. Injections also come under the category of medicines. So they also have an expiry date. Can you think of any product which doesn't have any expiry date?
Decoration. Ma'am, decoration.
Decoration. What?
Ma'am, fruits. Ma'am, fruits.
Fruits get rotten within 4-5 days if you keep them outside.
Ma'am,
Yes. Better type in the chat box.
डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स है टॉयज है
ma'am, plastic materials.
Plastic materials. Okay. So there are a few products like alcohol. Alcohol doesn't have any expiry. Then there is this honey. Honey does not expire. All this has been found out by researchers. No doubt, honey has got best. Has it mentioned the manufacture date is given? And yes, rice. Very good. Rice also doesn't have any expiry date. There are a few products.
Ma'am, wheat. Ma'am, wheat.
Wheat. Okay. We'll do one very interesting thing. When we'll meet in the next GK class, we will find out the products which do not have expiry date. Okay. Now there is less than 1 minute left. The class is going to get over at any time, but this work we will surely do for our next class.
Ma'am, today I really enjoyed the class.
Very nice. I too enjoyed with you all.
Ma'am, I also.
Yes. Iram, I cannot hear you. Iram, your microphone is not working.
Ma'am,
Yes. Iram, please type in the chat box.
ma'am, books also do not have expiry date.
So we need to find